Well, hello and welcome to the enrichment portion of today's lesson, which has been focused on working with bar graphs. So you're going to get to do some pretty cool stuff here because you really mastered the content and now it's time to move on. So let's get started. So it says, come fly with me. Sam, Jose, and Mary are pilots. Use the chart to answer the question. Okay, so here's Sam, Josh, Mary, and then here's how many miles they flew. So this data tells me number of miles flown, it tells me days, and it tells me who. So I've got a bunch of different things going on here. So it says use the data from the chart to complete the graph. Okay, so, well, I guess if I know that, let's take a look and figure out what Sam is. So we're going to look at Sam here, well, since that is my name anyway. So it says number of miles flown. So I'm guessing this means total number of miles flown. So I need to know how many Sam flew on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday if I put them all together. This is actually a quick whole problem because there are three parts and I'm trying to figure out what is the whole. So in order to do that, I know I've got 350, I've got 250, and then I've got 100. So what should I do? Anytime I've got a part-whole situation, I'm going to add them. Yeah, exactly. So I'm going to add them. So I've got 350 plus 250 plus 100. Now, I can line them up like this, or I could also just do it in two steps. I could do 350 plus 250, plus 250. Well, you get the point anyway. But I'm going to add them all up like this because I want to challenge myself. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to start with the ones place. I've got my zeros here. And then I've got 5 plus 5. Ooh, that's a double. And I'm going to put a 0 here. Now I can't write 10 in the tens place. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one right up here. And now I've got, let's see, this makes 3, and this is 3. Together this makes 6, and then 1, and it's 7. So the total number of miles flown for Sam is 700. That's that missing part up here. Okay, so now I need to fill in my graph. I'm going to go ahead across. I'm going to find 700, and I'm going to fill in Sam's bar up to 700. And make sure that it's readable. It doesn't have to be perfect looking, but I do want this to be nice enough that I could look at it and understand what it's saying. So it says, the next Monday, Josh flew 150 miles. He flew 200 miles on Tuesday. How many miles did he fly on those 2 days? So you're going to keep working with this, answering those questions. But really what I wanted to point out to you is that this is a great chance for you to challenge yourself in the way you use data to solve problems. So go have fun and do some awesome math. Finish this up, and I'm looking forward to seeing it turned in tomorrow. If you're just finishing up math, you should be moving on now to finishing reading. And if you do not have more reading to do because you already did it, congratulations. Hope you entered it on the reading log. Last thing, make sure that you comment on the video. That's how I know that you watched it. You can leave a quick comment. You can just say hi, whatever you need to say. But make sure that you leave a comment so that I know you watched it. Nice work. Thanks for joining.